Okay, here is the Audi 2019 Gen 2. So, issue with this connector for AdBlue. So you have to put off this connector, what is actually root of issues. So, and to take it out you have to press here, like on both sides, but before that release this one. Okay, what I'm now doing is cleaning the tube, this one. When I had this issue first time, I was in service and they just blew it the end of the pipe, but as we see, pipe become thinner with the years, but car has only 6 years, 5 so 5 years, yeah. So currently I'm removing the glue with ultra light sand grit, yeah. Okay, I hope I sanded it well. So currently it's more stick, not slippery. So before it was like a plastic tube, now it feels like a rubber with the sand grit also inside, so to make sure everything is clean. I have dissolved the AdBlue with the water, and then this is a propanol alcohol. Now to screw it back, I have this old surgery instrument tool, and holding the pipe a bit lower and trying to screw it really hard, because it's above 5-7 millimeters, and you should push really hard to place the. Okay, tape seems really strong. Fix it with this tape. Okay, I put clip back, so I ensure that connection is clipped. So let's start engine and check it out. Okay, start. Okay, now check engine.